Hello, in this video I am going to talk about two spiders that are very cool. They are very cool spiders. The first spider is an underwater spider. It is a spider that lives in Northern Europe, in ponds in Northern Europe. This spider lives in the ponds of Northern Europe, and it spends almost all of its life underwater, which means when I say it spends, just means most of the time, almost all of the time, the spider lives underwater. It spends its time underwater. Now, spiders do not have gills like a fish. They cannot breathe. They cannot breathe underwater. Spiders need air. So, this spider makes a ball of silk, right? Like all spiders make silk. This spider uses the silk to make a bubble. And this silk bubble holds air. It has air inside it. The spider attaches or puts sort of like attach something. So it attaches the ball of air to its stomach, right here, its stomach, its abdomen, and it goes underwater. It takes the air and goes underwater and breathes the air that is in this ball, because a spider only needs a little bit of air because it is so small. The spider itself is small. With this bubble of air that is like a scuba diving tank, the spider can stay underwater. It can remain or stay underwater for 24 hours. So the spider does not need to go up for more air to breathe for 24 hours or one day, one full day. That's really cool. Very smart spider. Now, the second spider that I'm going to talk about is, well, first I want to talk about black widow spiders. This is a very famous spider, very well known. A lot of people know the black widow spider. It is famous. And the name black widow, the word widow, means a wife or a mother who has lost the husband or father. So, a wife who does not have a husband because the husband died is a widow. Widow, there are human widows, right? So any woman whose husband died is a widow. So, the reason that black widow spiders are called black widow spiders is because some of those species of spider, some of that kind of spider, black widow, will eat the male spider. The male spider will be eaten by the female spider. So specifically, there is a spider called the Australian redback spider in Australia, and 60% of the time that the spider mates with a female or has babies, has sex with a female spider, the female will eat the male. This is not so crazy in nature. There are animals that do this, but I think it's crazy. What? I think it's crazy. And so, yeah, the male Australian redback spider will actually place itself, so it will move and put itself under the mandible of the female spider, like under the mouth of the female spider, so that it gets eaten. So because it wants to be eaten. It wants the female spider to eat it, which is so weird. And the Australian redback spider also, another thing about this spider is that the babies, the hatchlings, or the young spiders, the spiders that were just born, they live together in a group, and the young spiders, the babies, the hatchlings, will eat their siblings, right? Their brother, their sister, the other young spiders. They will eat each other. The young spiders will eat each other. This is cannibalism. Cannibalism. Eating the same species. A human eating a human, a dog eating a dog, a spider eating a spider. Cannibalism. Now, I think what would happen if the Australian redback spider became more evolved, or continued evolving, kept evolving, to where it has civilization, like humans, where it has language, cities, civilization, right? How would this spider feel about this instinct that it has, this natural behavior to be eaten by the female? How it would be crazy. And I wonder if this spider became very intelligent, would it still eat would the female still eat the male? And would the male still want to be eaten? I don't know. It's crazy. And also the reason that the spider does this, I guess, I don't know. I do not know a lot. I know very little about this, but I guess the female has more food now that it is pregnant. Crazy. I don't know. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments if you like it. And yeah, that's it. Alright, thank you.